what's up, Sammy here. Today, let's take a quick look at the POCO M4 Pro. In this video, I will include unboxing, design, and mostly the video and photo samples. Special thanks to my good friend Sammy for lending me the phone. Please subscribe to her channel, and this video was sponsored by Gigabyte.com. They are celebrating Double 11 shopping spree. There are lots of deals, crazy coupons, massive giveaways there. Don't miss them. All links are in the description. Open the box, we see an insert that includes some poker stickers, paperwork, and a soft case. Then we have the phone. We have a giant POCO logo beside the camera module. It's not a display like Mi 11 Ultra though. On the protection film, we have some highlights like Dimensity 810, 33 watt fast charging, 90Hz refresh rate, and 50 megapixel AI camera. Under that, we have the Type-C cable and a 33 watt fast charger. And that's all. As you probably know, the POCO M4 Pro is basically the Redmi Note 11 Chinese version, and it's not even the 11 Pro or Pro Plus, but with a different design. We can see the POCO M4 Pro back panel looks really premium. It has matte finish that I really like. The camera module with this black shaded decoration. Wow! Looks expensive, but there's a big but there. As you probably watched my previous Note 11 video, you know the camera performance is actually not that great. Kind of crappy. It looks like it has 4 cameras but only 2. There are 50 megapixel main unit and 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It doesn't support 1080p 60 fps stabilization, but glad it supports 1080p 30 fps. Here is the comparison of the two. More photo samples are put at the end of this video. For the specs of the POCO M4 Pro, it sports a 6.6-inch LCD with Full HD Plus resolution and 90Hz refresh rate, a 16 megapixel selfie shooter, and a 33 watt fast charging for the 5000 mAh battery. That's it. If you want to know more about the performance, please check out my previous Redmi Note 11 video. To conclude, I think as a budget 5G phone that comes with this finish and specs, we really cannot complain about it too much. Definitely a good buy. Though for me, I kind of feel disappointed for the M4 Pro, as I do wish it's at least having specs from the Redmi Note 11 Pro or Pro Plus, because the differences between the Note 11 and the 11 Pro or Pro Plus are huge. The Pro siblings have better camera performance, better screen, and better fast charging. It is what it is. When you get the POCO M4 Pro, let me know in the comments section. I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one. Alright, Sammy here, Sammy. So we're testing the POCO M4. Please check out the Sammy's channel. Please make sure to subscribe for the English channel. So I'm gonna take a few more footage. Go! So this is next step video. This is a kind of dark here, and I'm not sure if the footage is good. It's like, seems like it doesn't. The stabilization seems very good, not very bad, as you can see.